Hi everyone, my name is Ken Scanlon and this is my final project for CPSC 2713 Software Construction Fundamentals. Okay, so here in Visual Studio, first thing we need to do is publish. So we'll just walk through that again, even though I'm sure everybody's already done this. Okay, save to module 6, that's right, from CD. Okay, so we are publishing now, and that brings this up here. And so to open my browser, we click on Web Browser UI. And here we go. So the name of my web browser is Spiderweb. I thought that was a cute little pun. So we've got a little spiderweb icon right there. So the home page, I have it set to Google. So whenever you open the browser to begin with, you start with Google on your home page. Eventually, I want to add some functionality where you can change, the user can change the home page to whatever they want. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go up here to the text bar and navigate to some website. So one extra feature I added was the auto suggest feature. It's a little messy right now. I eventually want to get that a little more refined. But as soon as you start typing, there's going to be a whole bunch of suggestions you can just click on. So let's try one of these suggestions. We'll go to Auburn. And here we go. So that worked fine. For the text box, I actually added 3 different ways to go to the URL. Let's try Amazon. So the first way, I can just, after I enter the URL, I can just press enter. And that takes me there. Next, let's go to Yahoo. Oops. And I can just double click. And there we go. And one more way to go. I can also, after typing the URL, go to the Go button. So press that, and it takes us there. So that's the 3 ways after typing in the URL that you can go to the website. Next, let's try some of these buttons. I've got the back, forward, refresh, and home button. Let's go to home. So that takes us back to Google. Let's go back to MSN. So on the back button, takes us to MSN. Let's try refresh. All right, refreshed our page. So let's hit back a few times and see where it takes us. Back to Yahoo. Back to Amazon. Let's try forward a couple times. Forward will take us back to Yahoo. Let's see, can we go any further than that? Let's try refresh again. Okay, another thing we have is the bookmark button. So in order to add the current page you're on to the bookmark, let's see, I want to go to MSN, favorite that one. Let's favorite MSN. Let's, got a lot going on here. Let's go to CNN. All right, and I want to favorite that one too. So now that I favorited a couple, let's go to the bookmark manager. And so we see, looks like I favorited MSN twice by accident, but we've got MSN and we've got CNN. Okay, I just want to look at CNN. So I'll type that into the search box, hit search, and then we have CNN. Now I want to forget that I ever went to CNN, so leaving CNN in the search box, I will hit delete, and there it goes. So there's that. Also, let's take a look at our history manager. So here is all the sites we went to. I want to see if we went to Amazon. All right, here's Amazon a few times. I also, let's see, clear that. Let's see, bring it back up. Let's get MSN out of there. So delete MSN. All right, MSN is deleted. And to clear the history, get rid of everything, clear. All right, and that's done. Okay, what else do we have here? So we've got tabs here. In order to open new tab, go to File, New. We'll open a bunch of them. And each new one starts on Google, because that's the home page. At some point in the future, and I plan to keep this and keep tinkering with it, at some point I want to add a title to each tab page. I want it to reflect the URL of whatever web page the browser happens to currently be on. So let's get rid of a few. Oh, one more thing. I want to also be able to rearrange these things. Right now I can't drag them, but that is a project for the future. Okay, let's get rid of a few of them. Close, close, close. Okay, now we're back down to 1. All right, let's hit refresh here. See if we run into a little problem. Home. There we go. Okay, so that about wraps it up. Thank you for viewing my video, and everybody have a fun 2-week break.